Howard from Four Corners has a question about rotting posts.
Well, they're on a porch he added in 96, Tom. Howard writes, the builder used 4x4 supports, but put them in holes with concrete instead of using those metal post things. Cleats, that's the one. He says bases. But anyway, so just look what's happened to this thing in the concrete.
Yes.
He says, I've thought about adding 2x supports here next to the bottoms, but I'm not sure that's going to do the program. He says, Tom, Howard wants to know, what's the fix for this?
A new post. No, I'm serious. We're going to have to dig that post out and replace the post.
Break up the concrete and everything?
Maybe, or just actually dig it all out and see what you have to deal with, and maybe pour concrete and put the cleat on there and do it, redetail the whole thing. Here's the big issue, and this is what happens all the time. People say, oh, should I put gravel in the bottom of the hole for drainage? Oh, the post won't rot that way. Where a post rots is right where it meets the ground. And it's not down below and it's not up above. It's right there at that place where it hits the ground.
Is that because the moisture hangs
That's
there?
right. It gets wet and dry and wet and dry. If wood stays wet all the time, it doesn't rot. If it stays dry all the time, it doesn't rot.
Really?
Yeah, but when it's wet and dry, it starts to rot away because that's why you can find wood floating in the ocean for 600 years. And if it wasn't dry.
600 years?
At least, yes.
Wow.
It was one of the Knights Templar ships. But anyway, it just will not rot unless it gets wet and dry. And that's the most vulnerable part of a post. And those have to be replaced. And so dig down and then rethink how it's going to be detailed. You can actually go back in the ground again. I mean, how many years was it? 18 years, 20 years, 10 years? And you just know eventually that's going to be your problem, though.
You don't have any problems, though, when you write to us with your questions at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll get you answers. You can see more of them over here in these videos. Subscribe to our channel, and you'll see the new ones first.